Welcome to our journey into the world of print-on-demand services, where creativity knows no bounds and every idea finds its perfect canvas. Today, we'll explore 10 platforms that empower artists, designers, and entrepreneurs to transform their visions into tangible products. Our first stop is Printful, a versatile print-on-demand platform offering a wide range of products from apparel to home decor. With Printful, you can seamlessly integrate your designs and start selling on your online store. Next up, we have Printify, known for its vast network of print providers. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, Printify offers an easy-to-use platform to create and sell custom merchandise. Moving along, Redbubble stands out for its vibrant community and diverse range of products. Artists can upload their designs and showcase them on everything from clothing to stickers. Society6 takes pride in offering unique artist-designed products that stand out. From home decor to tech accessories, Society6's high-quality prints add a touch of creativity to everyday items. TeePublic brings together independent artists and enthusiasts looking for one-of-a-kind designs. With a focus on apparel and accessories, TeePublic offers a platform for artists to unleash their creativity. Zazzle rounds out our list with its customizable products and user-friendly design tools. Whether you're creating invitations or personalized gifts, Zazzle lets you bring your imagination to life. From t-shirts to tote bags, these print-on-demand platforms offer endless possibilities for creators and consumers alike. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or someone with a unique idea, there's a platform waiting to help you share your vision with the world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of print-on-demand services. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Happy creating!